Stop scrolling! Looking for an affordable drone camera but don't want to waste your money? You're in the right place. I've found 5 of the best budget-friendly drones that offer impressive camera quality, great features, and excellent value for the price. Watch till the end to discover which low-cost drone is the perfect choice for you. Number 5. Beta FPV Aquila 20 FPV Kit, Advanced RTF. The Beta FPV Aquila 20 FPV Kit is an excellent choice for beginners and FPV enthusiasts who want a complete ready-to-fly package with everything needed to start flying right away. Designed for both indoor and outdoor flights, it delivers an exciting and immersive first-person flying experience. This advanced RTF kit includes the Light Radio 4 SE transmitter and VR04 FPV goggles, giving you everything required to enjoy FPV flying without purchasing extra accessories. Simply charge the batteries, power on the system, and you're ready to take off. One of its standout features is the built-in DVR function, allowing you to record your flights directly from the FPV goggles. This makes it easy to save exciting moments, review your flying skills, and share your adventures with friends or on social media. The Aquila 20 supports a 2S power system, providing stronger performance, quicker acceleration, and stable flight characteristics. Whether you're learning basic controls or practicing freestyle maneuvers, the drone delivers a smooth and responsive flying experience. With 3 different flight modes, pilots of all skill levels can enjoy the drone with confidence. Beginners can start with assisted controls, while experienced users can switch to advanced modes for greater speed, agility, and complete manual control. Its lightweight yet durable design makes it perfect for flying both indoors and outdoors. The protective frame helps reduce damage from minor bumps, making it ideal for learning and practicing in different environments. The VR04 FPV goggles provide a real-time first-person view, making every flight feel immersive and exciting. Combined with the responsive Light Radio 4 SE controller, you'll enjoy precise handling and excellent control throughout every flight. Number 4. DJI Avata Explorer Combo. The DJI Avata Explorer Combo is built for creators and adventure enthusiasts who want an immersive first-person flying experience with powerful camera performance and intuitive controls. Combining DJI's advanced FPV technology with intelligent flight features, this drone makes every flight exciting and cinematic. Equipped with a 4K camera and an ultra-wide 155-degree field of view, the DJI Avata captures breathtaking footage with stunning detail, vibrant colors, and an immersive perspective. Whether you're flying through forests, mountains, city streets, or open landscapes, every video looks dynamic and professional. One of its biggest highlights is the included DJI Goggles Integra, giving you a crystal-clear, real-time first-person view. The immersive display makes you feel like you're sitting inside the drone, creating an unforgettable FPV flying experience. The combo also includes the DJI RC Motion 2 controller, allowing you to control the drone with natural hand movements instead of traditional dual-stick controls. This makes flying more intuitive, responsive, and enjoyable for both beginners and experienced pilots. Number 3. Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K Drone. The Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K drone is designed for creators who want professional quality aerial footage, smooth stabilization, and reliable flight performance in a lightweight and easy-to-carry package. Equipped with a 4K camera and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, this drone captures incredibly smooth, shake-free videos and sharp, detailed photos. Whether you're filming travel adventures, scenic landscapes, real estate, or social media content, every shot looks cinematic and professional. One of its biggest strengths is the 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, which keeps the camera steady even during windy conditions or fast movements. This allows you to record fluid, high-quality footage without unwanted vibrations. The lightweight and compact design makes the Potensic Atom easy to take anywhere. It fits comfortably in a backpack, making it an excellent companion for vacations, hiking, camping, and outdoor photography. The DJI Mini 3 is a compact yet incredibly powerful drone that combines professional imaging, intelligent flight features, and exceptional portability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, this drone delivers stunning aerial footage with ease. Equipped with a 4K HDR camera and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, the DJI Mini 3 captures crystal-clear videos with vibrant colors, sharp details, and ultra-smooth stabilization. From breathtaking landscapes to cinematic travel shots, every recording looks polished and professional. One of its biggest strengths is its ultra-lightweight design, weighing less than 249 grams, making it easy to carry on vacations, hiking trips, road adventures, and everyday outings. Its compact size lets you capture incredible aerial moments wherever inspiration strikes. Number 1. DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo, a premium camera drone that combines professional imaging, intelligent flight technology, and exceptional performance. Built for photographers, filmmakers, and content creators, it's one of the best all-around drones available. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. To purchase this product, the link is given in the description. Click on it and bring this product into your use today.